Hey everyone, and welcome to Turftak University. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to the Turftak range, a comprehensive collection of turf adhesives, giving you all the tips, tricks, and insider information you'll need to make the perfect seams every time. My name is Drew, and I'm the Turf Brand Manager for Turftak Adhesives. Let's get started and take a closer look at the Turftak line. Today we're going to be going over the Turftak 1 one-part polyurethane adhesive. Turftak 1 is a high-quality one-component polyurethane adhesive that is easy to apply, requiring no mixing. Turftak 1 comes in an easy-to-carry, pourable bag that's resealable with an easy pour handle for controlled application. The adhesive is conveniently packaged in portable foil bags so you can take it for the next job. To get started, simply take the peel off the edge of the bag here and make sure that your seam is nice and clean. Wipe down your seam tape to ensure that there's no dust or gravel or any other aggregates, as with every turf installation. Turftak 1 stands out with its excellent shock absorption properties. It maintains a natural feel underfoot and performs well even with high foot traffic, making it perfect for sports fields and other active environments that demand speed, efficiency, and durability. The Moisture Cure formula is also safe to use in more sensitive environments. The green color allows the adhesive to blend seamlessly with turf for a clean, professional look every time. Our team of experienced chemists has also conducted extensive testing to ensure that all Turftak artificial turf adhesives meet performance standards, specifically evaluating bond strength, weather resistance, and long-term durability. The ridges that the 1/4-inch notch trowel give you will make sure that you get inside and under in the ridges in the bottom of your turf. Simply take your turf and make sure that your turf seam is in the middle of your seam tape. As with our other adhesives, there is no need for any bags. All you need to do is walk this seam and you're done, and you can infill in about an hour or so and you're moving on. Turftak 1 is also available as a prepackaged kit for larger heavy-duty applications. Each kit contains a 1-gallon bag of Turftak 1, a plastic notch trowel, and 50 foot of 12-inch seam tape, ideal for larger projects and heavy-duty seaming. After each use, if you don't use the entire bag, simply squeeze out the air and reseal the nozzle to preserve the product and take to the next installation. And you can grab it by this easy-to-pour handle and you take it to the next job.